phone transfer stuck on 1 minute remaining. Well, actually, you're not the only one with this problem. There are many users in the same predicament. As you are looking for simple solutions to get out of it, we have conducted a comprehensive study on the issue. Let's find out together now. Part 1. How to fix iPhone data transfer stuck. Solution 1. Wait more time. Solution 2. Check the Wi-Fi network condition. Solution 3. Change to use Quick Start in a wired way. Solution 4. Check the versions of iOS on both iPhones. Solution 5. Check out your new iPhone. Solution 6. Restore from iTunes or iCloud backup. Solution 7. Restart both phones. Part 2. Alternative way to transfer data to new iPhone. Mobikin Transfer for mobile. It helps you to transfer from iPhone to iPhone or from Android to iPhone with just a few clicks without the hassle of network or distance. How to transfer all data to your new iPhone 13, 12, 11X by using Transfer for Mobile. Step 1. Install and launch Transfer for Mobile. Step 2. Confirm the source and destination phone. Step 3. Transfer data to new iPhone with one click.